Alright guys, so I did something absolutely insane. I decided to try 5 viral AI side hustles in just 24 hours. Yeah, you heard that right. 24 hours. No sleep, no clue what I was doing. Just me, my laptop, a ton of coffee, and probably way too much confidence. Could I actually make money, or would I just end up broke, crying into my keyboard while Googling how to survive as a YouTuber? Well, let's find out. So first, I thought, okay, let's start simple. I asked an AI to write me a blog that could somehow make me money online. Sounds easy, right? I typed, write me a viral article that earns $100 a day, and boom, 1,000 words appeared on my screen faster than I can blink. Incredible! I published it, hit upload, sat back, and waited and waited, and waited some more. My bank account? Still crying. Apparently AI can write content, but humans still have to actually read it and click ads. Who knew? So that was hustle number 1. Not a big win, but hey, you gotta start somewhere. Next, I decided to try AI generated art because apparently people are making money selling AI art online. I opened the program, typed some random ideas, and what came out was, well, let's just say Picasso would have sued me if he saw it. A cartoon cat riding a rocket with Elon Musk's face pasted on it. Genius, right? I uploaded them to a print-on-demand website, thinking, yeah, people will totally buy this. And the results? Zero, zip, nada. My hopes were crushed faster than my dreams of owning a Lambo. But no worries, I'm not giving up. The hustle continues. Then came hustle number 3, and I thought maybe AI chatbots could save me. I set up a chatbot that could supposedly help people write emails, resumes, or literally anything they asked for. I charged $5 per chat because, you know, why not? People started reaching out, and most of them just asked, "Are you a real person?" And I said, technically yes, emotionally. No, the chatbot was a little more helpful than me, but I still only made $12. My mom is proud, I think. The chatbot is officially employed me. Not so much. Hustle number 4 was my favorite. I thought AI stock predictions. If AI can write blogs, make art, and act like a chatbot, surely it can predict the stock market, right? I fed it some stock data and got a list of numbers. Numbers I didn't understand, numbers that made my brain hurt, numbers that I somehow thought were magical. I invested $50, waited with bated breath, and lost 3. Not life-changing, but it did teach me a lesson. AI might be smart, but apparently it doesn't care about my bank account. Confidence? Debatable. Finally, I tried using AI to generate viral content ideas for TikTok and YouTube because that's basically the only thing I'm slightly good at. I typed, give me 10 TikTok ideas that can make money fast, and boom, I had a list. I immediately tried 2 ideas, thinking, this is it, my moment of glory. And then everything went wrong. My camera died. My laptop overheated. My cat walked across the keyboard and deleted my work. But somehow, I still made $7. Not a lot, but hey, it's proof that even when life and cats try to ruin you, you can still get something done. So after 24 hours of chaos, coffee, AI, and minor existential crises, how much did I make? Drumroll, $19. $19. Not enough to buy a car, let alone a Lambo. But here's the thing, I started from scratch, tried something new, failed spectacularly multiple times, and still made some money. That's the beauty of these AI side hustles. It doesn't matter if you fail as long as you're trying. If I can do this, you can too. There's no magic, no secret formula, just effort, experimentation, and maybe a little luck. And honestly, even though the results weren't life-changing, I feel like a winner because I learned so much in just one day. I learned that AI can help, but it won't do everything for you. I learned that failing fast is actually a good strategy. I learned that cats are ruthless. And I learned that you don't need to wait for the perfect time because the perfect time is now. So here's the deal. Next video, I'm going even crazier. I'm going to try 10 TikTok side hustles in 24 hours. Can I make $100? $200? Or will I just cry into my laptop again? You'll have to watch to find out. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the chaos. Because if I can start from zero and make something happen, trust me, you can too. No excuses, just hustle. Let's go!